Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sitefinity out-of-the-box search index and search widget. There are two components to using search. First, there is the search index, and then there is the search widget itself. So you will need both of these components in order to surface your search on the site and have it work. So I already have a search index here, so we're going to drill into that. But if you need to create a search index for the first time, you'll click Create a Search Index. It'll take you to a page like this where you can title it as well as select what items are indexed in the search so that they are searchable. And you have a number of options here as videos, list items. These are all of the modules that exist within the backend as well as any of the static HTML that's on your pages. You can also choose if the site if you're in a multi-site instance, if it searches all sites or just this site alone. And if you have additional fields on your custom modules or any of these modules, you can add those here like tags, descriptions, or any one of those fields that's on one of your modules that might appear here. So by default, all of the out-of-the-box modules here appear here, as well as any of your custom modules that you might have existing. They will also appear here where you can include or exclude items from that search. Next, most often search boxes are added to the page templates rather than on the page if they're to appear across the site. If you do need a specific search for, say, products, and you only want on the product pages, you can add that to your pages directly and not put it in that template. You have your search box and you have your search results. You place your search results onto the page where you want your search results to show. I am on the template, but you would put this on the page and not in the templates. Edit your search box that you've added to the page. You can choose the search index you want to use. You can choose the page you want to show your search results on, and you can choose the template that you are using for your search. And with the search results, you can modify those too when you have that on your page. You can control pagination, limitations, as well as the order that the search results are shown in, whether it's the most relevant based on the data input, or whether it's newer first or older first, or you allow users to sort it. And you have your results template, and then you can save here. And so whenever it's in your templates, as I said, it's going to show on all pages. So if I were to navigate to any page using this template, this would be in the header. You can type your current search terms here to test. Show predictive text. You can toggle that on and off in the backend, and then it will take you to the search results page where you can see any number of options where the term quantum was found in those modules. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and check out our blog. Thanks.